The growing demand for mechanical keyboards highlights how users crave comfort, efficiency, and performance in everyday gear. And the same trend applies to backpacks. Whether for travel, school, or work, wheeled backpacks offer the perfect blend of ergonomic design and versatile usability. In this guide, we evaluate models based on build quality, organizational layout, durability, wheel performance.
List number 1. Arco Yard Rolling Backpack for Women. The Arco Yard Rolling Backpack for Women stands out as a stylish, functional, and thoughtfully designed travel companion ideal for students, daily commuters, and light travelers. Its sleek profile is paired with a durable, water-resistant fabric that protects essentials from unexpected weather. The soft, quilt-inspired exterior introduces a fashionable touch, making this bag appealing for users who want something practical yet aesthetically pleasing. Functionality shines through its spacious main compartment, which easily accommodates books, clothing, or work items. The integrated laptop sleeve provides secure storage for most 15.6-inch laptops, and multiple exterior pockets offer quick access to smaller accessories such as chargers, keys, or makeup essentials. The telescoping handle feels sturdy while rolling, and the smooth wheels glide comfortably across airport terminals, school hallways, and pavement surfaces. One of its best features is the dual-use design. It quickly converts from a rolling backpack into a wearable option with padded shoulder straps. When not in use, the straps tuck neatly into a zippered compartment, maintaining a clean, clutter-free look. Users will also appreciate the reinforced bottom panel, which prevents sagging and adds stability during heavy loads.
List number 2. High Sierra Freewheel Pro Wheeled Laptop Backpack Book Bag. The High Sierra Freewheel Pro is engineered for performance, durability, and organization, making it a top pick for students, professionals, and frequent travelers. Known for its rugged outdoor-inspired construction, High Sierra takes the classic wheeled backpack design and elevates it with premium materials and a structurally reinforced frame that holds up exceptionally well under daily use. This model features a large-capacity main compartment ideal for textbooks, clothing, or work documents. The padded laptop sleeve safely fits up to 15.6-inch devices, and the dedicated organizer section helps keep pens, IDs, cords, and tech accessories neatly arranged. One of its standout features is the oversized, smooth-rolling wheels paired with a durable telescoping handle that makes maneuvering effortless even across uneven outdoor surfaces. Comfort is equally important, and High Sierra delivers with well-padded, breathable shoulder straps that allow the bag to convert into a wearable backpack whenever rolling isn't convenient. The straps stow away cleanly, maintaining a streamlined look. Additional comfort is provided by the molded back panel, which adds airflow and prevents pressure points when worn.
List number 3. Rolling Puffer Backpack for Women. The Rolling Puffer Backpack for Women is the perfect fusion of fashion-forward design and travel practicality. Inspired by trendy puffer jackets, this backpack adds an ultra-stylish touch to your everyday carry. The quilted exterior not only looks modern, but also adds a layer of softness and protection, making it a standout choice for those who prefer a chic yet functional bag. Its large interior compartment provides ample space for clothing, documents, books, or travel essentials, making it a great option for school, weekend trips, or work commutes. Many users appreciate the padded laptop pocket, which securely supports most 15-inch devices. Multiple zippered pockets on the front and sides allow for quick access to smaller essentials like your phone, wallet, cosmetics, and chargers. Mobility is one of this bag's strengths. The smooth rolling wheels and extendable handle make it easy to transport across airports, school corridors, or city sidewalks. The handle retracts fully when not in use, and padded backpack straps allow a quick switch from rolling to wearing. These straps hide neatly in a dedicated pocket, preventing them from dragging or catching while the bag is wheeled.
List number 4. Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack. The Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack is one of the most versatile and budget-friendly options on the market,
offering excellent functionality without compromising durability. Designed with everyday use in mind, this model shines in school environments, travel scenarios, and work commutes, thanks to its well-balanced layout and sturdy construction. Its spacious interior is ideal for carrying textbooks, gadgets, binders, or travel necessities. The front organizer pocket includes dedicated slots for pens, keys, and small accessories, making it simple to stay organized throughout busy schedules. The large zippered compartments provide plenty of room for bulkier items, and the lightweight fabric helps keep the overall bag comfortable to carry or roll. The distinctive feature of this backpack is its double handle system, allowing users to carry it like a briefcase when necessary, making it versatile in tight or crowded spaces. The telescoping pull handle extends smoothly, and the inline skate wheels provide excellent traction and mobility on indoor and outdoor surfaces. When switching to backpack mode, potted shoulder straps offer comfortable wear, and they can be conveniently tucked away to prevent dragging while rolling. Its reinforced base adds stability and helps the bag stand upright when fully packed.
List number 5. High Sierra Freewheel Wheeled Laptop Backpack, Black. The High Sierra Freewheel Wheeled Laptop Backpack Black is a classic, highly durable option tailored for users who prioritize organization, strength, and smooth mobility. This model maintains the signature High Sierra ruggedness with premium fabric, reinforced stitching, and a robust structural frame that withstands heavy daily use. Inside, the large main compartment accommodates school materials, travel gear, or work items with ease. The dedicated padded laptop sleeve protects devices up to 15.6 inches, while the front organizer panel keeps tech essentials, pens, chargers, and personal items neatly arranged. Its thoughtful placement of pockets ensures efficient packing and quick access when needed. Mobility is a strong suit for this model. The inline skate wheels are designed for stability and smooth rolling, even across rougher surfaces. Combined with a retractable, locking telescoping handle, it provides effortless maneuverability throughout airports, campuses, and city streets. For situations where rolling isn't ideal, the bag converts into a comfortable backpack using padded straps that hide neatly in the back panel when not in use,